Over the years, we've received excellent submissions that were unfortunately rejected because the artworks were not hang ready. So we've put together this resource that will guide you on how to present your work according to the hanging system used at the Pretoria Art Museum. The Pretoria Art Museum uses a rod hanging system. For artworks with frames, you can place screw eye hooks on either side of the frame. The eye hooks will then be fixed onto the hooks on the rod. If your artwork is not heavy, you can also place a piece of gut or string on the 2 eye hooks on the frame, which will then be hooked onto a single rod. For artworks without a frame, paper or binder clips of varying sizes, depending on the size of your artwork, can be placed on the top edges of the artwork. Please add a sturdy backing, especially for artworks on paper. You can also use pieces of foam beneath the clips to protect your artwork. For artworks hanging from the ceiling, the Pretoria Art Museum has a stool grid above the panels in its ceiling, where cables can be attached. You need to provide a cable and crimp tube, which will then be hooked onto your artwork so that it can be suspended. Remember the 30-kilogram weight restriction for such artworks. For lighter artworks that also need to be suspended from the ceiling, you need to supply clips and gut that will be attached to both the ceiling and your artwork. When you are sourcing the various instruments you can use to attach your artwork onto the rods, please avoid the following: screw eye hooks that are open, cable ties, snap or carabiner hooks, or any clip with very small openings. It is recommended that you use any one of the following depending on your artwork: D-hooks, closed screw eye hooks with a large opening, or binder or paper clips with also a large opening.